Oh, sorry for break. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So my question is that if this is a matrix, this is not identity matrix. Why? Because the diagonal element is not one. How do you check that one? What is the criteria?
Now it's present, sir.
Pardon?
Itulah boxer ko pen mana? Naya lah tu buat pada pen saja.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I put like this, what it will do?
Sir,
It will give the what?
sir, diagonal element.
Diagonal element. So by getting diagonal, next what to do? We got the diagonal element I equal to j. Now what to do?
Sir,
S equal to
Aij
S
is equal
plus
to 1.
Aij.
Oh, sorry.
A I equal to j means you are getting the diagonal element. Next what to do?
Sir, check whether it is equal to 1 or not.
How do you check?
Sir, we are checking for identity matrix now.
Yeah.
Then Aij is equals to 1.
Aij equal to 1 means all element 1.
Yes, sir.
If you put Aij equal
to
to
J, then-
1 means all element is 1. So how can you say
No,
that
sir.
diagonal element 1?
Sir, in this case, if I is equals to j, then Aij is equals to 1.
Condition, you have to put one condition. Means you are saying if Ij then if like this way. You want to mean this?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Means इसके बाद एक bracket, and in this bracket means this condition is included in that condition.
Means you want to combine both conditions together.
Yes, sir.
You want to say
Yes, sir, one bracket after the first if means upper if.
you want to set this condition.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see, you just check it by typing program. I'm not sure what you are saying, whether it will work or not. Maybe you just check it. First input one array, okay, by using do for loop. Then put this condition. If this is okay, then display one message. What? This is a identity matrix or diagonal element is 1, else diagonal element is not 1. It's clear?
No, No, sir. We need one more condition. Means for all
What?
other elements should be 0.
Yeah. But before going to this, whether this will work or not is a check. It's clear? Because we have put I subscript value, another I am using array. Whether both will be combined by using AND gate or not, we just check it. It's clear? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
You just write a program and check it. Not now, later on. Okay. You know transpose of the matrix?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to define it?
The rows and columns are interchanged.
Interchange. So can you write the code?
If Aij equals to Aj.
Ij equal to
Ji.
Aij equal to
Aj.
then after that what to
Sir,
do? I
means
put this
this
condition, then
statement
display.
will be in a for loop, and if all is satisfied, then the matrix is transposed.
Nice, Ankit, nice.
No, I'm talking about this. After you putting, just wait. For I equal to 1, I less than 3, just I'm putting this one. For j equal to 1, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. If you are saying Aij equal to A J, you want to say this, no?
It's not visible.
Sir, your video is lagging.
Now
So we can't see anything.
it's coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Is it correct? Whatever you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Now to do.
So then
Sir, you're
print F,
fading
both
away, sir.
matrices are transposed.
No, I have not put any if condition. Now you are saying that Aij equal to Aji.
So this is if condition. Equals to. There two equals to are there.
You are saying if is required.
Yes, sir. See if
If is required.
yes, sir.
You see.
We are checking for two matrices.
So by going to this, what happened?
Sir, input.
Input the array. Okay. Input the array which is 3-dimensional.
क्या
Okay, 3x3.
दार
Isn't it? Now you say 1 2 A11 A12 A13 A21 A21 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 If this is the matrix, okay, I am giving the value in circle and below is the address. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Circle is the value.
Yes.
and below is the addresses. Now transpose means row should be column wise.
qua thầy có giảm người đi qua lý được cả
Transpose means what?
Sir, exchange of row and column.
Row and column. So what value will come after exchanging? 12.
Sir, 1,
A.
4, 7.
No. First will come 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
So these are the value.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? These are the value. Now, if I pick up the, it's clear, no? If this
Yes,
is the
sir.
original matrix, after transpose, I am getting this value. Now, if I copy the addresses, if I copy the corresponding addresses, okay? So, A11, A21, A31, A2, 12, A22, A23, A13, A23, A33. Now you see,
समझ में कुछ आया
this is the original one. This is the original one with the address and value. After transpose, this is the value with the address. You see, what is the difference? What is the changing take place over here? And if you get this one, then you can go for the program.
तो उस लोग तुम लोग समझ में आ रहे क्या?
Sir, I or J. Position is sir interchange.
Interchange. Okay. So what to do? First you input one array. Okay. First you input one array. Then what to do?
Sir, put the value of I in J.
कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर.
Just wait. So this is clear,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? It is
No.
clear. This part. No.
Sir, clear, sir.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is
Absolutely.
clear. By going through this means you are inputting this and matrix. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now by going through this, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then it will transpose the matrix.
Yes, sir. Right.
You just
Oi,
go for the
I don't
table,
know.
then it will be clear. First, what I required? 1, 1. Huh?
Yes, sir.
First, I required what? 1, 1. J value 1, I value 1. First time. Okay. Next, what happened?
2, 1.
J value what?
2, 1.
2, 1.
Value 1.
J value what?
1.
In this case, what is J value? 1.
1.
So J remain as it is. Here J remain as it is because upper loop. I become.
Oh my God.
Are you getting? No.
Oh wow.
If you take this, initially J equal to 1, I equal to 1. Okay. So I will have A11. It's clear? Next, J will remain as it is. I become what?
3.
I is in the first for loop or second for loop?
Second.
Second. So I become 2. I become 2 means 1, 2. So what is the address? I equal to what? 2. J equal to
1.
1. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Something whether it's clear or not.
Sir, your video is
Yes, sir.
lagging,
It's
sir.
clear now.
Huh?
Sir, he is saying video is lagging.
Now you see. This part is clear.
Yes, sir.
It's clear now.
Sir.
If we are going for the table, then what happens?
Bye.
वीडियो रुक गया
सर
Sir,
हेलो वीडियो लैग कर रहा है या सर चला गया क्या?
सर चला गया क्या?
सही चला।
चला गया
अरे सर का नेट खराब
सर
है।
का आईपैड ब्लास्ट हो गया सर।
अरे रुको सर, ज्वाइन करेगा।
फालतू
ज्वाइन करेगा हल्ला मत करो।
हमको किशन को दिख रहा है।
हाँ किशन ही है।
अच्छा फोटो डाला है। निकॉन
दामी है
स्पॉन्सर
ना।
किया इसको।
हमको सर बोला था 100 पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, 500 डिपार्टमेंट को मिलाके।
और कितना देर होगा?
ओए अरुणाचल में कोविड केस हो गया फिर से।
चुप, हम लोग का असम में
अरुणाचल
350
छोड़ो, मेरा घर का साइड में हो गया 2-2, हमको डर लग रहा है।
हम लोग का कैंपस के अंदर कोरोना का हॉस्पिटल है क्या?
अरे यहाँ के लिए तो डर है ना।
मेरा पड़ोसी को
यहाँ-
लेके गया है।
ओह शिट।
तो किशन वो लोग का घर में चीनी मांगने गया था, किशन भी गया अभी।
ओह शिट बॉय।
ओह शिट।
ओ भाई,
आई एम गॉन में। फिर मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे।
सोचो ना 33 स्टूडेंट्स था वो बस में, और सोचो वो स्कैटर कितना किया होगा अभी। मई 18 को टेस्ट हुआ था और अब रिजल्ट पता चल रहा है। सोचो उसका
आदित्य
ट्रीटमेंट क्या
चौहान
होगा।
नेट बैंडिट इज लो। और तुम 13 क्यों आ रहे पहली बार?
खत्म।
वो शायद अभी तक ठीक भी हो गया होगा।
क्योंकि हम
ओए शुभम
अरे कहाँ ठीक होगा वो।
क्लास नहीं होगा क्या?
होगा वेट करो सर
शुभम की
आएगा।
आছিলে মাজতে
মই হাঁহি মই পৰি গৈছো আৰু কি
ओए सुनो ना,
हम टेढ़ा हो गए क्या?
নহয় তুমি ক'লা কি এইটো মাইক বন্ধ নকৰাকে
सुबह बेया दिले ए मैथ्स बॉय से बोले
रजनीश तुझे क्या बोला थे
शुभम क्या बोला था? माइक ऑन करके क्या बोला था?
ओ भाई
हाँ सर।
ओए हिमुजल रिकॉर्डिंग पॉज कर।
আপোনাৰ নেট কানেक्शन তো सर
Oh,
बंद हो गया।
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करो ना।
ओए रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करो ना।
रिकॉर्डिंग आया।
सर को भेजेगा क्या रिकॉर्ड करके? You see the logic, huh? Be careful. Here I am giving first J. Okay. Then I am giving I.
Sir, I
Equal
can
to
see video.
Huh? It's clear.
Yes
Sir,
sir,
I
clear.
can't see video.
कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
No sir.
Now
Sir clear है sir.
Video.
it's clear, na?
Yes sir.
Sir, not yet now.
First loop is
No, sir.
using J. Second loop
It
is
is
using I. Okay. If you put these two consecutive for loop, then this is the table. J equal to 1, I will repeat 1, 2, 3. J equal to 2, I will repeat 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, if you go for a corresponding address, what happens? A11, then you see what I am giving. Be careful. In this case, what I am giving? This is what? A
GI.
printf A J I, not IJ. First loop is J, second loop is I. While printing, you put J I. Are you getting?
Bullet gang.
Or you can do one thing. This is JI, not IJ. Okay. So while you are going for this, AJI, J equal to 1, I equal to 1 first address, J equal to 2, I equal to J equal to 1, I equal to 2. So it will go for I equal to what? 2. You just draw the table and check. If first loop is
Carlo.
because we need this address. To go for this address, I have to change the IJ value. Okay. So if I put IJ over here, then what value will come? You just make the table and check it. Whether this address is coming or not. Okay. If you draw the table, your idea will be clear. And this is AJI, not IJ. Be careful. And here first loop is J, second loop is I.
कोरोना और न चला के बहुत डर लग रहा है.
Okay. So I have this. So far, I have discussed this thing. Diagonal matrix. Then what is there? Identity matrix. Then I have to go for upper diagonal element, lower diagonal element, transpose of a matrix. It's over. Summation of all the element of a given n by n matrix. All are over. Only two part is there: upper diagonal element and lower diagonal element. It's okay.
Yes.
I have discussed so far this thing. What is there? Diagonal matrix, identity matrix, then transpose of a matrix, then summation of all the element of a given matrix. Only left is upper diagonal element and lower diagonal element. Can you tell what is called upper diagonal element? Anyone? If this is the matrix,
Sir,
if this is the matrix, which are the upper diagonal element?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9.
Anybody?
2, 3, 6.
If I consider this matrix, which element are upper diagonal?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9.
Diagonal and upper. Diagonal and upper.
Sir, 1,
And lower is
2, 3,
diagonal
6.
and below. So it should be
1, 5, 9, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 is upper diagonal element. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
I have make one line. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 9.
Then what is there? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
9.
9. And if you go for lower diagonal element, this is the lower diagonal element. What is there?
15947.
789145.
That is your 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. It's clear? Upper diagonal matrix means the diagonal value and upper one. And lower diagonal means diagonal value and below one. It's clear? Now, how to identify this value element? What is the logic?
Don't know.
Diagonal element and upper. How do I identify? You know, for diagonal element, what is the condition? For diagonal element, what is the condition?
Sir, I equal to J.
I equal to J. So if you consider any address, if this is the address, okay, diagonal element and upper, what is the criteria? Diagonal, you are getting I equal to J. Upper value, what I is the relation? From diagonal element, those upper one in the address, what is the IJ relation?
Papa, I is less than equal to J.
I is always less than J. You see, if you go for the diagonal value, if this is the diagonal value, these elements are I is less than J, you see. And if you go below 1, I is greater than J.
Greater than J.
So if we put, if I is less than equal to J condition, if I put if I is less than equal to J, then it will go for upper or lower? It will go for which element?
Sir, it is not clear.
Sir.
If I put this condition, it will go for which element?
Sir, upper.
Upper.
I is less than J. I is less than equal to J. I equal to J means diagonal. Less than equal to means
Upper.
diagonal plus
Upper.
upper. If I make change means diagonal plus lower. Okay. So if I ask you get the summation of all upper diagonal element, then this criteria you have to go. Sum equal to, if this condition, then sum equal to sum plus Aij. It's clear? So I have discussed identity matrix, transpose of a matrix, upper diagonal element, lower diagonal element, summation of all the elements from the matrix. Now, I have also discussed from single dimensional array how to find the getter among n number. N may be 1000, 100, 200, whatever. Now, you know sorting. What is the meaning of sorting?
Arranging
Arranging
in ascending or descending order.
Ascending or descending. Arranging number either lower to higher or higher to lower. From lower to upper means it is called ascending, and upper to lower it is called descending. Similarly, you can go for in character also. Character, how to arrange? If I having a set of character, how to arrange it?
Alphabetically.
Alphabetically. This is also called sorting. Okay. Sorting means arrange the number in order, either upper to lower or lower to upper. Now, once you have 100 number, if someone asks, write a program to sort this number. 100 number is random. Random means haphazard. Okay. Now you have to arrange it either lower to upper or upper to lower. It's clear. That is called sorting. Now, how to write the program? Okay. Last class I have discussed how to find a getter from n number. Isn't it? From single dimensional array.
कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
To find a getter among n number, what we used to do? First, I use one variable big. Can you recall it? To find a getter among n number, first what I used to do? We use one variable big equal to. You forgot or what? I am talking about this program. Can you recall this program?
मेरा जूता का गया, अभी अभी जेब में था, तूने लिया क्या? तूने लिया तो मुझे वापस कर दे, अगर तू नहीं पीता मुझे बड़ा अफसोस.
Now you can recall it. This program is for what purpose?
Finding the greater number.
To find a getter number from a given set of number. Okay. Now what we have to go? We have to go for arranging all the number, either smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller.
कार का मेरा जूता का गया, अभी अभी जेब में था, तूने लिया क्या? तूने लिया तो मुझे
Just
कोई मीटिंग टाइम फिर से टाइम आउट होने वाला है भाई. Excuse me, sir.
you see.
Sir, again the meeting time is going to over.
Can
You
you
make
extend
me
it?
host.
Sir, for extension we have to agree for $12. Sir,
You take 10-minute break, then again you just connect it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
10-minute break. After that you just join it.
Yes, sir.
खाना खा के आएगा सर.